welcome back to my channel. And again, this is Lhorsef Lifes, and for today's video is another PR package from YesStyle, and this is the K-pop dance outfit. I wanted also to know what I've got in YesStyle, so keep on watching. And yes, I would like to thank YesStyle for choosing me for one of their influencer to get this K-pop outfit or dance outfit. So I'm so thankful. Thank you so much, YesStyle, for sending this product. And guys, this is it. If you are a K-pop lover, just visit YesStyle on their website, and also just follow on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. So this is it. I get this package with one. So heavy. This from just delivered today. And this is from Hong Kong. And of course, na-sanitize ko na siya. And I'm so excited for that. So, it's hard for me to choose the outfits kasi marami talagang pagpipilian doon. So, I've got this. So, I'll do the unpacking. Kasi hindi siya nakapack. So I have this receipt, and I've got 10 items. 10 items. So this first, what I've got is plain sweet pants. Oh, this is plain sweet pants. So I'm going to try it soon. So excited. And this one, this is a crop camisole top. This one, crop camisole top. Next is the short sleeve crop t-shirt. Yeah, color white. I love color white, really. All of this one is white. And this is the mini pleated skirt, color white also. Diba? Ayoko sa white. Next is this long sleeve fishnet crop top. This long sleeve fishnet crop top. O, diba? Pwede na tayo mangisda. Next is the glittering crop sweatshirt. One. Glittering crop sweatshirt. So, meron din siyang kasamang bra top. And lastly is jacket. Next is this two-tone bomber jacket. So, and I have this socks. Also a socks. Yeah, this one. And this one is the tie. Alright, I like it. And I have this free product from Kiss Me Firm Brush Liquid Rouge. It's color bright red. This is from Easy Hand, made in Japan. So this is a product, so I will try to make this. Kiss. May lipstick ako maybe next time. So guys, that's the product that I received from this campaign. And if you want to purchase on YesStyle, yes, and you can use my reward code Lhorsef28 for you to avail additional discount. And guys, if you want to be an influencer, just message me and I will give you the referral link. So thank you so much for watching, and I will update you for my try on haul on this K-pop outfit. Thank you so much guys, and keep safe everyone. God bless you all.